We got a fish on the pole. He got hooked behind some trees, so Mike's gonna get in for us.
It's actually raining.
It's actually raining.
Perfect weather to be fishing.
Oh yeah.
You gotta love it.
You gotta love it. So we're gonna try to
We're
get
in the middle of a hurricane. The storm's rolling in hard.
the heavy stuff's not
Captain's going in.
The heavy stuff's not supposed to come down for about an hour.
There's not enough gas to make it back. I'm swimming ashore.
Swim to shore, get help. And he's
Get your butt in the boat.
We got one guy left. I think I found the corner.
I'm about to get bit.
Oh no! Oh no!
Right there.
Is he still there?